Welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Scalper 779. What I got up here now is the U.S. economic calendar for this coming week, Monday, January 29th to February 22nd. Now, for those of you who don't know what an economic calendar is, it's just certain times and dates where the federal government of the U.S. releases certain reports, numbers, basically, job openings, consumer confidence, all this stuff. And a lot of the time, not all the time, but a lot of the time, the market moves based on these, like this right here, Wednesday, Fed interest rate decision. That's a big one. The market it'll even move beforehand in anticipation. But this video isn't about if you're going to trade the numbers. I'm just saying you should have it in the back of your mind when and what is coming out for the next week. Okay, and all you have to do is just do a search, economic calendar. This pops up. I'm not affiliated with MarketWatch. This was just one of the top searches results. Bloomberg has another one. Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, all those, they all have that. And you just want to keep in mind, usually the 10 o'clock area, and then this one's a biggie, 2 o'clock Fed rate. You just take a look and jot down. You probably don't want to be in a trade at 10 o'clock. Okay, unless you're trading the numbers, but that's more of a gamble, I would say, especially here. This Fed rate, interest rate decision. But again, this video is not. I just want to bring that to your attention. All right, let's move on, because this video is just to see what we got cooking for this week in terms of technical analysis. Can we figure out if the market's going to go up or if it's going to go down? So we're looking at the futures, E-Mini. All right. And we're looking at the past, since Wednesday, actually since Monday, market's kind of gone sideways, wouldn't you think? No big moves up, no big moves down. We have this channel again, and this is regular trading hours. This isn't, I'm not doing a 24-hour one on this video. So we got this channel here. I think if it breaks down out of this channel, it's a good chance that on Monday will maybe be negative. All right. But if we continue up and break to the upside of this channel, then that'll be a possible sign for a bullish move up. And I don't think it'll wait too long to make a move up. Let's zoom out. Oh, and I gotta click this auto. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna go to the hour chart soon. I'm gonna come out with bigger. We'll do it time frame by time frame, but it's just been going up and up and up. Eventually it has to go down, but when, who knows? But I want you guys to keep in mind this channel here. If it breaks out of that channel, well, then maybe there's a better chance of the futures heading down. Okay, so that's one prediction. So let's go back to odd. Oh, it's on that. Okay, let's look at the hour. The hour chart. What do we see? Stochastics are still overbought. Yeah, so that's also, and again, that's going to be looking like it wants to go down. Okay, again, trade at your own risk. Where does it go if it breaks? Well, we got a lot of steps. Maybe in there. And then there. If you guys like doing Fibonacci retracements, you can do that as well. But these are the most obvious ones. This one and this one for sure. And this one too. In around this area. So that's the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's the same thing as a 15. Let me just clear. Yep. So now I think if I go, because I want to, when we go look at the day chart. Yeah, here we go. Okay, this is on the 1 hour. And I want to look at the moving averages, okay? And this is the regular hours, the 9:30 to 4 o'clock. I'm not going to pay attention to the 24-hour chart in this video because I didn't see anything significantly different. But so this is the 1 hour chart. Yeah, the 1 hour chart, I don't know, it's tough. Like it's had such a big move. You know, it could come back down. The stochastics are showing that it could come back down. But maybe it's just a bull, what do you call it? A bull flag. Up, sideways consolidation, and then another move up and then down. Who knows? You don't know. You gotta let the market make the first move, so to speak. But we're gonna change these all to day. And we just want to see where the moving averages are, because man, if you set these moving averages up, I got to do a video on the moving averages. There's a lot of lines. Yeah, that's another video. But you can see they bounce. I think on the spiders, I'll do another video with the spiders. They're more pronounced, and it might be even better if I do the 24-hour. But right now, I'm not going to do that. So here's the daily chart. Yeah, it's I was told one time, and I think I should do it on the monthly chart or the weekly chart. I think it's easier to see the distance between the 20 moving average. It only goes pretty much a maximum move straight up and then has to come down a bit or get closer. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see. It's overbought. It's overbought, but that doesn't really mean too much at the moment because it could keep going up. Oh, okay, let's check out the week. Yeah. So how are we going to do this? So it's on all three different, this is the simple moving, the weighted moving averages, and the exponential moving averages. They're all like how, let's see, is it easier? Can I do, where's the vertical? No, I'm not prepared for this for this one. Drawing tools, is it not there? Yeah, I'm gonna be wasting time trying to feel, I didn't. So what you do is you draw a line from the top of this point right here all the way down to the 20 moving average, okay? And you take that line, you don't get it extended or anything, you just take that line and you bring it up to here and you see if it's the same distance or not, and you just test it out. So you go to the top of this point right here, draw a straight line down to the moving average and calculate that distance and see how far it is, and then it pulls back, right? It always comes back to the 20. So to the point here, to the top of this candle here, measure that distance and see, you know, or right here, here's a good, you try and find the max move, right? The biggest move that it's done. Here's a good point right here, right up here. So you start from the top of the candle, go straight down to the, and you take that line and you test it out. Yeah, fortunately I didn't get prepared for that, but so this is looking very, you know, extended. We could probably have maybe one more week up and then a pullback. So it's just something to keep in mind, okay, guys? I didn't come up with that. I saw someone else do that. I thought that was very neat, very interesting. Let's look at the month. All right, so we got the month here. And we're pretty far away from that 20 moving average. You see what I'm saying? You know, you get that far away from the 20 moving and then you get a pullback. and we broke through this high, this previous high, broke right through it. And maybe we come and retest it, or we come and retest the 20. Something like that. You know what? I want to take a look at this chart again. So the moving averages, yeah, it's just telling us we're way overbought. Let's look at the. Wanted to show something here. So, oops. And then this will be the end. So we got that. You can do this on the weekly too. Duplicate that. So you see that? You see that channel? We got a channel going up in here. Hey, who knows? It could just keep going up to here. Like, why not? Right? Just like this. Look at this move all the way down here. This was the pandemic sell-off, I think. And then we just moved up and up and up and up. Hey, the war starting more, you know, I don't know, World War III is almost starting. All the money could be moving into the Dow Jones and the S&P, and we could have, like, you know, a huge move up. So this is a possibility here, but I also think, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Get rid of that. Let's put that back to normal, so it looks a little bit better. Again, you could do this on the weekly chart and get a little bit better. But you know, better turning points or better precise. And if we go off of this, yeah, maybe I should, why not just do it yourself, right? So yeah, look, we drew that. Like, you get more precise points, right, to draw your lines on the weekly versus the monthly. So if we're happy with this line and we're happy with that line, usually coming off, we're almost there. Hey, tomorrow, because this is Sunday night, right? Monday morning or overnight, we could be trading up to this resistance area and then have a pullback too. So this is another thing just to keep in mind. But if we power through this, then yeah, it's tough. You know, you can go here, okay, but I don't, you know, and then there, it's a bit too much. It's a bit too much. I think, you know, we use this last high here, and we're going to the high here. This is a pretty good possibility. Or, yeah, I don't think this works. It won't be any good. I'm just trying to figure this out on my own here too with you guys. You can go back here, but if we go back here, why not here? You know what I mean? Anyway, it's just, I'm going to leave it up to you guys to figure out what you think is best for your style, what you think. These are just possibilities that I think is going to happen. Anyway, I'll probably get another video on the spiders to see if there's any good levels I see on there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.